What's the meaning of calligrapher? Calligrapher. Calligrapher.
Calligrapher. Calligrapher. A calligrapher is someone who specializes in creating artistic and decorative handwriting or lettering. The practice of calligraphy has a long history and is often considered a form of visual art. A calligrapher may work with various writing tools such as brushes, pens, or pencils, and use a variety of techniques to create unique and visually pleasing scripts. Calligraphy can be used for a variety of purposes including invitations, certificates, packaging, and more. A skilled calligrapher can create elegant and beautiful lettering that adds a personal touch to any project.